Why is LEGO releasing this new LEGO Harry Potter Weasley's Wheezes set when the original Diagon Alley set is still available? We'll discuss that in this video. Hello everyone, welcome to Second Brick to the Left. Here we talk about LEGO set news, reviews and tips. Before we dive in, please be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. This new set, named Diagon Alley Weasley's Wheezes, will be released on June 1st, 2023. It has a set number of 76422 and consists of 834 pieces. Let's compare that to the original Diagon Alley set, which has a set number of 75978 and consists of 5,544 pieces. When this was released in September 2020, it instantly joined the 10 biggest LEGO set lists. When rumours of this new Diagon Alley Wheezes set started to circulate, some fans wondered if this would just be a portion of the original Diagon Alley set, allowing fans to buy a part of the iconic Diagon Alley without an investment in the full set they maybe didn't want or couldn't afford. But clearly, this new set isn't that. So why does this set exist? The big clue is the age range. The original Diagon Alley is for ages 16 and above, but this new set is for ages 8 and above. This new set is aimed towards younger fans of LEGO, and as we look closer at the details, that becomes more evident. Upon first glance, one of the clearest differences to the front of the Wheezes is the Weasley mannequin. In the original set, he has a realistic face, but in the upcoming set, he's got a more cartoony, happy face. The original set also used Technic pieces to achieve the moving hat, but this set looks as though it uses simple clip pieces to achieve the same effect. This new set also has some additional signage, which I think looks really good, and in fact better than the lamp in the original. If we take a look at the back, the rear is a lot more open in the new set, allowing easier access for play. One terrifying addition to the new set is the introduction of Dolores Umbridge, which I think is supposed to be the Umbridge unicycle. Considering the Umbridge unicycle said phrases including, "I really hate children," maybe this set isn't so child-friendly after all. I think both sets give really good joke shop vibes, and there's plenty of familiar products. Both sets have love potions and branded Weasley products. I think the new set probably beats the original here in terms of the named products available. Plus, there is a good-sized Pukin Pastels display figure, and there are a couple of pink pygmy puffs. Speaking of figures, the new set has 7 minifigures. As you'd expect, there is a Fred and George dressed in their shop outfits. They're joined by Ginny and Ron. We also have Romilda Vane, Lavender Brown, and an Outpost worker. I'm surprised we don't have Harry Potter or even Hermione, but I'd bet that if this isn't your first LEGO Harry Potter set, then you have a Harry or two floating around somewhere. So far, I've been focusing on the Wheezes portion of the sets. However, the new set has an unexpected addition, Outpost. I think this looks pretty good, and it even has a functional mail drop, which is a good touch for a playset. In the original set, the Wheezes shop was built alongside Knockturn Alley. As a Slytherin who loves a bit of the dark arts, Knockturn Alley is one of my favourite places. However, it makes sense to use something more appropriate to younger fans, like the Outpost, in this new set. Both sets have some really strong points for purchasing, and the decision about which set to buy is ultimately going to come down to why you want a LEGO Wheezes set. If you're a parent looking for a set for a younger child, then this new set makes a lot of sense. However, if you're an adult fan who is looking for an epic display piece, the original Diagon Alley probably makes more sense for you. Of course, there is a big difference in price of the two sets. The original set costs 4 times as much as the new set, so this is also a major consideration. Overall, I don't think either set is better than the other. They serve different needs for different audiences and are both great sets. What are your thoughts on this set? Are you going to get it? Let me know in the comments below. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!